Alright, I'm doing a follow-up video on this timing chain troubleshoot on these lifters. Every last one of these lifters, it froze up on this motor. So I got to looking in there, it had a lot of carbon debris in the oil pan after I get the oil pan off. So place the oil pan, put a new oil pan, new oil pump on it, and retimed it. Use the old Irish sprocket gear. Use this brand new in the kit that I bought. Brand new crankshaft gear, new chains, new cam gears, tensioners, all these chain guides, brand new. And this is what you have to have. You have to make sure that this dark link right here is above that timing mark for the right hand head. And the left hand head, you have to make sure that that timing mark is right up underneath that dark link. And the V6 on both sides had to be at the top, 12 o'clock high. Alright, that's the timing chain. Oil pump, I don't know if you can see it back in there. Brand new oil pump. Brand new tensioners, timing chains. This is going to conclude this video. Thanks for watching.